Presentation on trivial V1. Or trivial V1, that is the topic ALF based hybrid transfer of diagnosis system, which is guided by Akshata, assistant professor of AML. She is also our co-editor. Team members Abhilash Devi, Basavaraj and Vidata Pandey. Treatment and saving lives. You know that it is a big headache for saving the patients who are suffering from brain tumor. Early detection can make doctor to save their lives. Traditional image analysis struggle to capture both small and detailed overall patterns. The older method, that is traditional image analysis, is unable to figure the whole part of the tumor, which is making the trouble for the doctors also. CNN based methods often lose fine information during downsampling. See, CNN based methods, when we say to reduce the image, it makes some factual blur or loss. It is also be trouble. LLM, that is large language models, can combine text and image data for better understanding. You know that these are the large language models which can combine the both doctor's report and as well as the image of the tumor and make understanding easily. Transformers can help capture long-range relationships and global context, which means it can study the all parts of the image of the brain tumor and make it easier to understand. This project uses a hybrid model to achieve accurate and efficient tumor segmentation. Hybrid model is used here because it can easily understand combining the text and image and make the analysis. Problem statement, that is our title. LLM based hybrid transformer diagnosis system in Israel. This I will make 2 lines and explain in short what is our focus on it. The project focuses on improving brain tumor detection from MRI images that I told in the introduction. It uses a hybrid transform model using large language models to capture both small details and overall. As I told, it misses the sum of the parts of the image, but here we cover both small details and overall pattern of the image as well as reports. This approach aims to give doctors more accurate and reliable diagnostic results than traditional CNN-based methods. As I told, CNN-based methods can use some of the data where we have to give accurate and more reliable diagnosis results for the doctor and make patient survival level easy. Next objective is to be done by
Objectives, sir. Develop a brain tumor segmentation system using hybrid transfer architecture. We develop a system that will automatically find the brain tumor segmentations, and we use a transformer model. We combine both CNN and transformer models and global pictures and location details. Improve DIA-score accuracy over existing CNN. Transfer only models. We measure by the DIA-scores. Use both combining CNN and transformer models. Provide a real-level AI tool. We provide a trustworthy AI tool that can help for the doctors for the patient treatments, and that will give better reports for the doctors. We reduce the computational complexity while maintaining a high accuracy. Literature survey. These are the authors who are this research model. Sania, 2024. She used transformers to know the she scan brain tumor images and make a doctor work easier and give better reports. And Arthur Hussain in 2023 she worked on LLM based system that will help the records, and she worked on the AI tool that will help of the patient records and patient records and give a better reports. And Bindu in she worked on deep learning. She detect medical images and detect and give a better report. And Raja in 2022, she combined both the CNN and ANN for the better reports of the patients. Next we'll continue.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. This is the methodology. It is not only used in the branch tumor, and it is also used in the cardiovascular diseases and skin cancer detection and respiratory problems and so many problems. This is the methodology mainly used in the first we come to the input sequence pre-processing data to upload the data, what the medical report to upload this pre-processing data. After that, enable this sequence in the linear projection, transfer model and scanning model. In linear projection, the data will be reduces and transfer model to what the data must be in accuracy, and scaling model the formatting the data and uploading to hybrid transformation in the N file and and this redefined model and refined model come to an output sequence. What the data we know that what that tumors and in medical report what tumors what patient is suffering from the tumors or diseases, what diseases and this is the requirements of hardware and software data set. And hardware is the CPU enabled system and software Python and data set is 2015 and 2019 MRI operating data set and storage computing training large model.
Complete research paper and related models to understand MRI and collecting reports, gathering the MRI data set, clearly writing and testing, design and data structure of hybrid translate model of coding framework, implement basic and recognize and transform integration, verify clear, basic model, this small data set. Verified the basic model is what I have to verify it is what or not correct. Complete hybrid with translate model for the MRI. Conduct large scale testing and evaluating by using the performance metrics like DISCO, optimizer, improve the using selector for the handling the uncertain image deploys the model clinical trial hospital deploy using the LLM multi-modal education.
We conclude that the confirm that feasibility using the LLM based driver. This is the mainly used for hybrid transfer the accuracy of the patient's diseases and the testing to segmentation accuracy of the CNN model, the accuracy of the medical report of the patient diagnosis. The model balances the efficiency with accuracy and parameters that capture both the detailed global context and the efficiency, context locally and global context of the medical reports and any MRI scan and results and full training real world deployment.